Yo YouTube, it's your boy Infinity Boy Mark, man. We here reporting from my garage. I don't think you guys saw my garage yet. My 240s right there, Abrams G35 turbo Rev 9 kit build is going on. I done put the engine inside here, hitting all Z1 hoses and stuff. I'm trying to put the hoses on and everything. We got his kit, a little bit of piping, intercooler, a bunch of parts. Yeah, it's like a mess, but we'll get it done. Parts. Yeah, 240s over there, like I said. Box right there. It's my garage. But today, for this video, I am putting on my RZG single exit 3-inch exhaust for my G35 Sedan. If you guys don't know, this is a 6MT, 6-speed manual. I am getting this car tuned next month by the GOAT, you know, Admin Tuning. You feel me? Admin. It's gonna be tuning my car. So I was gonna get long tube headers, but honestly I don't care about making power really. I just want to get over 300 wheel. I already have fast attention resonated test pipes on this car, and I have an ISR Y pipe in my other Infinity outside. I gotta get out the trunk for this car. RZG single exit right here. I was gonna go with an ISR 370Z single exit and get it extended, but once I found RZG just made a direct bolt on, I'm just like, might as well go with that, because I didn't want to find a shop to get it extended and yeah, all that, and I really didn't care for all that. Or I got the RZG non-resonated. Let me go back and show you guys. It's non-resonated 3-inch exhaust. I like the welds on it. The welds on it look cool. I love the fact that it's got a burnt tip on it. Like I said, it's non-resonated. Like I said also that my test pipes is resonated. The mid pipe right here. Also, I have gallery gaskets for the car. I got gallery gaskets. And what's that, a water pump for this car, since I'm, like I said, getting tuned, so might as well, you know, do it all. Boom. OEM gasket maker, water pump, gallery gaskets, all from Z1. Here goes Abrams old motor. Big Alkibonos, gotta love the Alkibono. You gotta love them. But yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get this old exhaust off. The old exhaust doesn't sound bad. You guys should know what the old exhaust sounds like. Obviously, if you have this car, you know what the factory exhaust sounds like. So, it's no point in me really doing it before and after. But yeah, let's get into this. All right, YouTube. So I got the mufflers off. As you guys can see, mufflers was off. They was actually not even clamped up, so that was easy. So I guess I could start with showing you guys a muffler delete with test pipes. We can hear how it is with a muffler delete. I don't know how it will sound, so I'm curious to see. Don't sound bad with the muffler delete. It's a warm start though. Muffler delete. Got the mufflers off. I could have been took these off. These things so it's so easy to come off. But yeah, the exhaust is off. I mean, muffler is off, not exhaust off. Still got the mid pipe and a Y pipe. Talk about that. Let's go get the Y pipe out the other car. Let's go do that, you guys. Go get the Y pipe out. This G right here is in the trunk. Finally got a bumper put on that. Anybody want to buy it? Let me know. Shit, I might be sold anyway. Times y'all see this video, but yeah, interior is really clean on this car. No ripped up leather. That thing is good on here. Seats in good condition. Oh yeah. ISR Y pipe. I want to get a resonator Y pipe. Let me put you guys down. got the resonators off, mid pipe, mufflers. Now it's time to do the wide pipe. The wide pipe. I'm not really showing the removal of the old exhaust because everybody knows how to remove the old exhaust and everybody saw the pipe. If you guys watch this video, you probably already know how to remove the old exhaust, so that's why I'm not showing it. I will show what I'm doing once I start a new exhaust. So let's get that wide pipe off so we can put the ISR on, and then we can toss on the new exhaust. But I need to find hardware because this kit didn't come with hardware, and I got that exhaust, the wide pipe used, so that didn't come with hardware as well. Luckily I already have new gaskets, but yeah, let's stop talking. All right, guys, it's been like an hour. Oh, now you stop the music. It's copyright. All right, guys, so it's been like an hour. Got the old wide pipe off, as you can see. That was a pain. The bolts were super rusted. It's crazy because, you know, something always got to go bad or like slow up the process, because this took me 5 minutes to get off. That took 5 minutes to get off, but taking off the wide pipe took at least like 45 minutes to an hour. Trying the little trick. See the wide pipe is hanging down there. You can see it's just hanging. I'm gonna try to, I don't know if I could try to bolt this up and put the hanger on it, and maybe that will lift the wide pipe up, or maybe I should just jack it up and then, I don't know, honestly, I don't know. But yeah, it's about to get to the part where I put the wide pipe, I mean the mid pipe on. Maybe I'll just jack it up. That's how I think it's the easiest part. I am starving. I have a headache because I've been fighting with this wide pipe, frustrated, and yeah, you guys know when you're frustrated and hungry and you're working on cars, that's not a good mixture, so pray for me. Okay, guys, it's time to put the mid pipe on. After 4 hours. No, it really hasn't been 4 hours, but yeah, this is like a hack job because like don't have the right stuff. This exhaust doesn't come with hardware. The only thing it come with is a vibrant gasket. That's all. So you got to get your own hardware, and I really don't have another car to use to go to AutoZone to get more hardware, because obviously my 240 is behind me and I got this car jacked up and I'm not putting this down, pushing it out just to get the car out. So yeah, that is dead. One of my flashlights then died. So yeah, this is like great. So I'm gonna try to get this lined up down there at the wide pipe. Like I said, I don't have no hardware. The hardware I'm using is not the right hardware. So when I get to school Monday, I'm going to put the car on a lift and make it easier. And I'm going to try it anyway. Take your gasket. Turn this off. Okie dokie. I'm reloading. It's actually working. Surprised this nut, I mean this bolt was long enough to even get this. Okay, the other one is over here. Guys, this car gonna be loud. This car is gonna be loud. I'm hoping that muffler does a good job doing what a muffler is supposed to do, you know, because like loud boy. I don't know if I can be able to fit a washer on that side, so just gonna send it without one. Alright guys, so it's time to put this pipe on. Guys, look at these welds. You guys, if we can focus. The lighting's bad, but I think these welds look good to me. Boom, boom. And this piece right here is pretty solid. Like, it's not no light piece. Not no cheap tin can metal. Yeah, so let's put this on here. I guess it goes like so. Okay, so Okay, that was easy. And let's do this right here. Just the camera so you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh my gosh, I see myself. Sheesh. RZG. Come on, pop through. I might have to take this heat shield off. Hopefully this joint don't rattle on it. Okay. Boom, that's in the hanger. Gotta do some shifting over. Woohoo. It gotta come up this way, I believe. Yeah. I'm not tripping, am I? I'm not tripping. Hold up. Let's take this off. This in. Probably doing it so wrong. Probably was supposed to drop the mount, but you know what? It's cool though. It's cool. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. Okay. Uh-huh. Sheesh. It's coming. It's through. Okay. It's in there. Like swimwear. Oh gosh. I'm tired. Okay. I guess, I don't know if I'm supposed to put a clamp somewhere around here. I'm pretty sure I was supposed to. Like I said, it didn't include no hardware. For the price, I guess not. I don't know if this gonna leak. I don't think it would. Probably not, probably will, don't know. I'm gonna clamp it eventually. RZG. Boom. Pretty sure the more you wanna, you know, let me get up. Pretty sure the more you know, move it back, that's where it's gonna sit at. I want that back a little bit more because if I'm shooting flames, I'm gonna burn the crap out my bumper. And that's too close. RZG though, can you see that? So let me try to adjust this real quick. See if I can adjust it a little better. Okay, now I can't move this back much further. I guess that's where it's gonna sit at. Cause I'm getting gaps now. Alright, you guys, so it's on. I guess that's where it's gonna sit at. I'm gonna have to get it extended, take it to an exhaust shop, get that mid pipe extended or something, because this is too close. This ain't gonna work. You can see the clearance right there. That's gonna burn something. I wanted it out. I want the burnt part at least like this, the purple to like the bumper. I don't know. I'm not sure yet, but it's too close. So let's do this first startup. Let's get this first startup cracking lacking. This is loud. Oh, this is loud. I don't feel no leaks, but damn. RZG. Oh man. I'm gonna have to get some flybys for y'all to, complete the video, because I know there's some guys out there who's probably considering getting this. Probably want to hear like some drive-bys. So I'm gonna put the car back on the ground, get everything all tidy up, and yeah, catch some rollers or something. I don't know, but sheesh. I know it's loud because I'm inside the garage, but oh man, it's gonna be loud outside too. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys later. Got the Z out, got ugly ass Kevin right here in the cut, got my boy Lou in the cut, man. We posted at school, you feel me? Yo, I told y'all 2,500, hit me up. Feel me? This shit is shit box total on the right side. But listen, I forgot to get the rollers. I didn't fucked up my exhaust already. Yeah. Make sure you put a clamp on your exhaust when you put it on. Don't be like me. Like I said, I shouldn't be making how-to or anything like that, but my exhaust fell off, just know that, and fucked up my bumper. But got it fixed, got it clamped up, I'm gonna do some of the drive-bys by my school so you guys can hear it, and that's gonna be the end of this video. Oh, shut up, I'm trying to talk, bro. Shut up, bro. Like, he always talking and shit, bro. Like his car, his shit really slow. Them joints fake as hell. Like, why you got them shit fake? But listen, yeah. Damn. This shit really ugly though. I'm just trying to say that, bro. This shit really ugly, bro. This joint really ugly, bro. I'm just saying, like, I ain't hating nothing, but like, kinda trash, bro. Say nah. It's my boy, bro. I just be messing with him. But yeah, RZG. This is what messed up right here. Messed up my bumper and split my paint. Yeah, it's already recorded. Yo, who you car? Oh, I can hit it. Hold up.
Yo, do one for my dick. Do one for my dick. They recording my shit. I don't know, that way or the other way. Hold up. You going that way? I mean, it's flatter than this way. Hurry up. Stop. Oh shit. Wow, I said for my dick.
I couldn't really stop, bro. The truck was coming.
Or just drop the clutch.
Yeah, I was thinking that, and I'm like, this shit is all crowded.
You go right there. Now I'm fucking deaf. Stop recording. Stop recording. Get that.
Nah, that shit's trash.
Oh, that shit, put them out.
That shit's trash. Alright, you guys, so that right there is my car. I think I was doing like 50. This is the non-resonator pipe. Obviously, y'all guys saw that with me installing it. I like it. I might add a resonator. I want to see how it sounds after my tune with the pops and bangs. But besides that, I don't really have no complaints with the exhaust. If you do get this exhaust, do not install it when you first get it. If you do, buy clamps, because What they did is they sent me the exhaust, but they sent me the clamps separately, which I don't understand. They sent me I guess Jegs brand. No. They sent Vibrant clamps. They sent Vibrant clamps. Excuse me, but yeah. So make sure you wait for your clamps to come in to install the exhaust. Besides that, I really have no complaints with exhaust. Yes, it get raspy. It get raspy at 3K RPMs, and then the raps go away. It's like a deep tone after that. I have fast attentions resonated test pipes, so that helps with the rasp. I might add a resonator, or I might get resonator Y pipe. So I'm not sure, but yeah, I mean, I'm happy with it. The car do get loud, as you guys can hear, but besides that, that's the end of the video.